guys, and welcome to JND. Today I'll go ahead and introduce you guys this 3.5mm to 2 RCA audio cable. The packaging looks very stylish, very eye-catching. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. This cable is made for 3.5mm connector to stereo receiver, speaker, amplifier, and other RCA enabled devices. Alright, so the gold-plated connector is very nice, and also it's corrosion resistant with better sound signal transmissions. The PVC jacket feels very nice and sturdy. Plug and play, good to go. Highly recommended.